Hi and welcome to this mini tutorial of ColorJob, a visual project tracking tool designed to help construction companies manage their projects more efficiently. Today we are going to learn how to assign and track tasks. There are several ways to create a task. In the Project Progress module, select where you want your task to be created and click the Create Task button. Fill in all the required fields in the pop-up window. Attach files if necessary, and then save your changes. This icon represents that a task is assigned there. In the Tasks module, you can view all the tasks you've created. You can use filters to quickly find the task you need, depending on the status, due date, or type. With this switch, you can also hide completed tasks from the list. If you prefer, you can export the task list to Excel with just one click. The Create Task button also allows you to create new tasks for this specific project. Here, a new category called Type appears. Depending on what you select, specific fields will be displayed for you to complete. Save your changes, and your new task will appear in the list. Now you can see I've added more tasks. One column that will guide you is the linked type, that shows which part of the project each task belongs to, like a specific unit, floor, area, etc. Finally, go to the My Tasks module, where you can see all the tasks across all the projects you are involved in. Here, you will find the Filters button, the switch to hide or unhide completed tasks, the Create Task button, the option to export the list, and a new filter that allows you to choose between tasks you have assigned and tasks you have created. When you assign a task, you receive a daily email notification until the task is marked as done. That's all for today's tutorial. Now you know how to assign and track tasks in ColorJob step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.